When changing your bulb for the Aqua Lamp, this is what you do. Where the wire comes out, squeeze a whole bunch of silicone right in there, and I'll link the silicone down below.
Just push it all in there.
Put your O-ring on first.
So take the silicone again, just put a bead around there. Maybe it's less of a bead. Yeah, it doesn't matter which lead you hook it to. It doesn't really matter. Just get her on there.
Make sure the bulb goes center with all the wires pushed in, and then it squeezes all the silicone on there. And you just put the cover on and all the screws. And there you go. I know I got one missing there. I dropped the screw in the pool.